Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of hydration with what we believe to be the best straws for Hydroflask on the market. The LLCJYYCY lids with straw. If you're tired of unscrewing your bottle cap every time you need a sip, or you're looking for a hands-free hydration solution for your active lifestyle, then stick around because this product might just be your new favorite accessory. So, what makes these lids stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, one-handed hydration has never been easier. With the flexible straw design, you can enjoy your favorite drinks without the hassle of unscrewing the cap. Whether you're out hiking, biking, or hitting the gym, this lid allows you to stay hydrated on the go. Safety first. These lids are made from high-quality, BPA-free material, so you can sip with peace of mind, knowing that you're not exposing yourself to harmful substances. Compatibility is key, and these lids have got you covered. They fit a wide range of Hydroflask wide mouth bottles, including 12, 16, 18, 20, 32, 40, and even 64 ounces. So, no matter what size Hydroflask you have, you can enjoy the convenience of one-handed hydration. Now, let's talk about value. Each lid comes equipped with 2 straws and straw cleaning brushes, giving you a cost-effective solution for maintaining the cleanliness and hygiene of your Hydroflask bottle. Plus, by using reusable straws, you're also reducing environmental impact. Perfect for active lifestyles, these lids are leak-proof, sturdy, and durable, making them ideal companions for all your outdoor adventures. Whether you're on the trails, at the gym, or simply running errands, the LLCJYYCY lids with straw have got you covered. So, in conclusion, if you're in the market for the best straws for your Hydroflask, look no further than the LLCJYYCY lids with straw. With one-handed hydration, BPA-free material, universal compatibility, and unbeatable value, these lids are sure to become your new favorite accessory. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay hydrated and happy sipping.